20 years ago, JTU was established in Singapore and started the business by distributing reflow ovens and wave soldering machines. Along the way, we represented more and more companies to distribute their products. With the experience gained, we have also grown to release affordable premium own brand products that suit the market. All business organizations started small, so is our group. We grow from strength to strength, to our current total head count of 84 members as of today. We have established branch offices, showrooms, and support stations in various countries to support our global customers locally, including Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia, India, and Philippines. No matter where you are, we got your back. We have dedicated teams specialize and focus on the development and support for different solutions. We put effort in doing pre-sales testing to give customers confidence. Apart from pre-sales support, JTU also values the quality of after-sales services, such as installation, training, troubleshooting, and so on. We constantly expand our service team to make sure customers receive excellent and prompt support. Our people are our key assets. We gradually expand our product range and bring in cost-effective products that could enhance our customers' businesses in the electronic industry. From marking, surface mount technology, through hole technology, cleaning, depaneling, conformal coating, to other auxiliaries, we have almost everything needed in the production. In recent years, manufacturing industries are urged to accelerate the adoption of automated production and smart factory. JTU, as well as some of our customers, realize how crucial digital transformation and intelligent automation are. We have started to provide customized automation solutions to enhance customers' production and meet their respective requirement. In conclusion, our aim is to become the most distinguished one-stop solution provider of the lowest cost of ownership, highest productivity, finest post-sales service, to assist our customers to remain competitive in this rapidly evolving electronic industry. Today, let us look inward at the current processes and capabilities, and then outward at what's possible now. Then, adopt and implement new technologies or concepts, suitably, to build agility into your production.